A very good morning to doctor and my friends. Today my group and I going to present about knowledge management and system for managing knowledge in Malaysia. And first let me introduce myself. My name is Yu Jack Wan and my matrix number is 289639. Next. So knowledge management is the development in business process is to create storing, transferring, and applying knowledge. It increases organization potential to learn from its surrounding and apply information into business process and decision making. It also help a company to do things effectively and efficiently. There's three type of knowledge. First one is structure, semi-structure, and then will be tacit knowledge. And The it is a general-purpose firmware system that collects, store, distribute, and applies digital content and knowledge. So there's five elements of enterprise content management, known as ACM. First is capture, second is tag, third is store, and the fourth is review, and the fifth is distribute. So it is to capture and store information including invoice from vendors, resume from job application, contracts, correspondence, and research reports. It also helps to organize and collect semi-structured knowledge such as email. And then it also allow an organization to decide who can view, edit, and create the document, identify and search for document based on metadata, and organize document within a flexible folder structure. Furthermore, customers use ECM to reduce reliance on paper and simplify company procedure, and it helps to improve customer service and boost productivity. Last, it proceeds to a unfiled data repository, known as UDR, as a centralized data storage unit which consolidates data collected from many sources. Okay. Learning system management. It is helps to develop management. Uh, it also delivery and tracking and assessment, training and learning from their employee, clients, and partners. Example of learning system management: video web-based classes, live instruction, group learning in online forums, and also massive open online course which known as MOOCs. And move to the next will be the knowledge work system. What is knowledge work system? Knowledge work system is specialized system for knowledge worker. Uh, the specialized tools include powerful graphics, analytical tools, and communication and document management. So the main function of knowledge work system is to control the power to handle sophisticated graphic or difficult calculation. And then it also easy to access external database and also user-friendly interface. Example of knowledge work systems such as computer aid design CAD system, and then VR system, known as virtual reality. And the third one is augmented reality AR system. And then that's all for me. I will pass it to the next candidate. Thank you.
Okay, the overview of this knowledge. Since this measure is still new in many aspects, such as the business environment and organizational culture or behavior, it is difficult and time-consuming for the managers of organizations to use knowledge uh, management in their departments. Managers find it difficult to accept that using knowledge management technologies in their organizations can provide so many benefits. Knowledge management has no common definition. Some experts define it as the administrations of knowledge generations, acquisitions, representations, transfers, and applications. Managers should remember that knowledge management is not an automatic process. It must be launched by people and backed by the entire organizations. However, this country will face its own set of challenges in implementing successful knowledge management programs. Before any Malaysian organization goes on a knowledge management journey, it is necessary to investigate the potential impediments. This chapter aims to clarify and examine some of the most critical key variables in knowledge management. The goal is to demonstrate many phases of knowledge management. Furthermore, the other issues we can assure the success of knowledge management initiatives are something emphasize on the issues such as employee issues, management, leadership, uh, and commitment, organizational culture, and technologies infrastructure. It begins with a quick overview of knowledge and how it is used in Malaysian enterprise, followed by an explanation of knowledge management frameworks and architecture. The two most of significant components in knowledge management, technical method and human approach, are discussed in this chapter. This chapter will conclude with knowledge management concerns, issues, and a final discussions of the benefits of knowledge management.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Siti Noshira bin Salihi and my matrix number is 289583. I will present about recent development in managing our system. In Malaysia nowadays, there are many recent developments in managing the system. But the first one is cyber augmented interaction and collaboration. This technology extends beyond communication gadgets that engage and overburden human relationships and tasks in online and connected manufacturing systems. Cybernetic brain models combine ICT with real-time control to deliver simplified, harmonized, and optimized workflows for human and machine autonomous interactions in a parallel cyberspace with multi-agent systems plus administration protocols and algorithms. Other than that, augmented reality that we familiar with the name AR also one of the recent development in managing knowledge system. AR is a technology that combines actual data, typically live direct or indirect video pictures, with computer processed data like sound, 2D or 3D image, films, charts and so on, and multiple sensory modalities such as visual, oral, haptic, tactile, and olfactory experience. For example, nowadays, there are many video games that use this AR technology. Next is smart connected products and devices and their avatar. Smart products are physical objects with digital data or knowledge regarding themselves. Smart living items are those that can connect with other products or devices as well as with their surroundings. For example, via RFID like we use in Highway Plus nowadays or Internet of Things IoT. Avatars of smart items or devices exist when every physical instance of all these products or devices has a digital image or dual entity in the cyber world. Avatars communicate directly with their physical counterparts To keep data current, preferably synchronously, but occasionally asynchronously, to make local decisions on the basis of their real-world object. They can be given a database, depth of knowledge, and planning or reasoning capabilities. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Ahmad Fazil Solehin bin Muhammad Azlan. Nama matric 280299. Today I'm going to present about the recent development of knowledge management. For my first example, the recent development from knowledge management from the world famous graphic design apps, Canva, online friendly user in their website. Everyone know the quote simplicity is the best. So this company use the simplicity as the key to attract the users more enjoying their app, either for editing pictures or slides suitable with their requirements. A lot of apps can be considered user-friendly, but Canva was on and available with the features free of premium user. The knowledge management that has been applied by this company, which is full of features on sidebar and easy to use and is considered easy for the amateurs. For the next one, a well-known courier, J&T Express, also applied the knowledge management in their business management. As we all know, a gigantic business through the e-commerce in Southeast Asia, their logistics and postage throughout the world. They use the knowledge management application such as JTB, they stand for their big core of all the tracking number of the parcels or their heavy use of goods, also the tracking of their number. J&T Express also applied the knowledge management on their online website, which is easy to use, which is simplicity and also user friendly interface. The website online contain the
Hi, my name is Muhammad Mirubi Jasmani. My message number is 277559, and I will continue about conclusion and future prospect. So for the first conclusion is knowledge management system and the framework for overseeing information is vital for us to foster Malaysia to improve as a country future. Overseeing information implies that precise responses to normal inquiries are effectively available to both client assistance specialists and clients. Knowledge management and system is the method involved with this distinguishing, gathering, putting away, accessing, and sharing all of the important data association in everyday tasks. So next is future prospect. So the first future prospect is knowledge management system is already set up and figure out how to guarantee business concurs in an always evolving climate. Second one is knowledge management and system is significant on the ground. It support for efficiency of association dynamic capacity. In ensuring that all representative approach the general skill had inside association, a more astute labor force is fabricate who are more ready to make fast, educated choice that benefit the organization. So the last one is the designer of knowledge management frameworks can carry out degrees of safety for various kind of information that live inside the association. The idea of secure information, the executive has given its speed model to address the administration and insurance of information asset. So that's all from us. Thank you and have a nice day.